Hello and welcome to another VDSpine tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to access the support ticket system and add tickets as well as viewing existing ones. From VDSpine.com, selecting the support portal option will give you access to your support account. Once in the portal, users will have a range of options at their disposal. The first one worth considering is searching for any pre-existing information regarding a topic, the suggested articles being the ones available in the knowledge base. This option may well be worth it, as suggested articles may offer a solution to one's problems. When it comes to describing your issue, the support portal will guide you through a series of steps designed to narrow down the problem. The decision tree is relatively simple, with mandatory fields being indicated as such, and relevant options being offered as you progress further. You can also enter your own description of the issue, screenshot, or examples of the files affected. So what happens when you create a ticket? Let's try it out. We're going to create a ticket, narrow it down for the support team, and offer a brief description at the end. Once we submit the ticket, we should be able to see it in our own section of the portal. It is here where you will find an overview of all the submitted tickets. These can easily be categorized and filtered for easier handling. Tickets can also be filtered by their status, and if you want to ensure others are also notified, you can also share the tickets with any other portal users. And that's it. Now you know where and how to submit tickets to VDSpine.